Each month, we try to designate at least one day to be our getaway day. A day to feed our souls with things that bring us joy, as well as feed our bellies with something delicious and different from our everyday homemade cuisine. Just a few hours set aside to do something local or a reasonable distance away, to relax and have a little fun, allowing us to enjoy a nice meal prepared by the hands of someone else that we don't have to plan, prep, or clean up afterwards. A day to leave our daily routine behind and explore new and familiar territories that add a little change to our ordinary everyday scenery and way of life. It's also a day that we prepare a few blessing gifts to give away and deliver them on our way out of town, a ministry that we started quite some time ago. It's a way to remember those who are away from their homes and may just need a little moment of joy provided for them that day. The only requirements are a little time set aside and minimal expense. And the thought of the joy that it brings to the recipient on the other end is so fulfilling and rewarding. So a few days ago, we left Beehive Hill behind for a short while and began our day by making our deliveries. We then set out on our journey, sometimes with a well-planned itinerary and other times just freelancing to see where the road leads us and what the day may bring. This week, we headed to the Isle of Palms, a barrier island separated from the mainland by the Intercoastal Waterway, known for its relaxed, family-friendly beach, beautiful sandy shore, and close proximity to the city of Charleston, South Carolina, about 12 miles away. It offers numerous rental properties, upscale but casual restaurants for your dining pleasure, as well as 7 miles of white sandy shore ideal for beachcombing for shells, and has easy public access, great for day trips with public restrooms and picnic areas available. We began our day by grabbing a little lunch to snack on from one of the local restaurants and headed out onto the beach to sit and relax while watching the seagulls dive into the surf attempting their catch of the day. The Isle of Palms, also known as IOP as named by the locals, offers expansive shores, beautiful sunrises, and picturesque palms. It provides a treasure trove of ocean wildlife and is a wonderful getaway for rest and relaxation. After a while, we headed back inland to Mount Pleasant to shop and peruse a few of our favorite antique malls and garden boutiques for a few eye-catching bargains or just some things that sparked our interest. One of our favorite places to shop includes Eclectic Finds Antique Mall, where you will find multiple retail booths such as the Humble Cottage and others, which offer a variety of antique, vintage, and new merchandise to choose from. Mount Pleasant is a beautiful area that is only a short stretch from the city of Charleston, connected by a famous landmark, the Arthur Ravenel Jr. Bridge, which straddles the Cooper River. It offers great shopping and a multitude of wonderful restaurants, providing some of the South's best seafood and other delicacies sure to please even the most discerning palates. By the time afternoon had arrived, our hunger level had reached its peak again, so we dropped into one of our favorite local eateries, Shem Creek, to enjoy a delicious local seafood platter of fresh fish and shrimp right off the boat. A wonderful taste of the Lone Country, it's always accompanied by the debate of which is better, tartar sauce or cocktail sauce. Which do you prefer? Before leaving the area, we stopped by the docks at Shem Creek to catch a glimpse of the waterfowl that often hang out around the fishing boats. Amongst them are seagulls, pelicans, the great white egret, and herons, just to name a few. They gather, hoping to receive a small morsel of fresh fish or shrimp offered to them by the local fishermen when their boats return from a full-day run. While there, we visited the dockside seafood market to purchase some fresh seafood to prepare for ourselves back home. As we said goodbye to this beautiful place, our trip left us feeling reset and ready to begin the routine of our busy work week all over again. So we headed home with a longing for warmer days ahead and a continued taste for more of that fresh-caught wild seafood found in our southern Atlantic waters. Where most of us are not gourmet chefs by any means, Most of us do enjoy good home-cooked meals that bring nourishment and comfort to our bodies as well as our souls. Food that is seasoned with love, butter, and sometimes a little hock. Yes, hock. That's the official name for pork. I have a great cookbook name, When in Doubt, Add Hock. Hock is one of the South's solutions to an otherwise dull and flavorless dish because hock adds flavor to everything. It's almost an insult to a great Southern dish to omit it. A few days ago, after returning home, we indulged in a feast of home-cooked Charleston stone-ground grits, crab cakes, and pan-seared collards cooked in tallow with added hock. We included a pan of buttermilk biscuits and some Charleston sweet potato butter. And I'm not afraid to say, we unabashedly ate the whole pan. Well, only 4 biscuits between the two of us, but unapologetically, 'cause stopping at one just ain't right, as we say here in the South. But just to justify eating 2, they were small, so the second one didn't really count. Just saying. I'll leave the recipes for the grits, crab cakes, and collards in the description box for your convenience, all of which are considered Southern favorites in our neck of the woods, and once you try them, you'll be sure to add them to your repertoire. These dishes represent the heart of Southern coastal cooking, and although they are all heartier, heavier choices on the menu, they're enjoyed throughout the year. Remember, stone ground grits are a much coarser grit and should be simmered for a little longer time to get that just right taste and consistency, rich and creamy. I hope you enjoyed your time with us today. The South Carolina coast is always a beautiful place to visit and has so much to offer, whether you are just visiting for a day or planning an extended stay. It's sure to please. So take a day to get away. Create something to give away, even if you're an amateur. Cook some delicious, soul-nourishing food. Add a little hock to get that southern undertone flavor, and be ready to experience the joy in giving as well as receiving. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll look forward to seeing you all again next week. And until then, peace and grace to you all.